All right, welcome to PB&J Farms. I'm Papa Brian. We're talking about the 4 tenets of the well-watered garden, and today we're focusing on the third tenet, which is minimizing waste. Right now I'm harvesting spinach, so I have my nice spinach where I'm putting the nice spinach, and I also have a discard bucket for the stuff that doesn't look so good. It's not going to just lay on the ground here. I'm going to police it up. Instead of it just going to waste, I would either compost it or feed it to the chickens. So we're going to minimize waste. So let me just recap all the way up to the third tenet, and that is we're going to maintain to a high standard. We're going to do things in a timely manner in the garden, plant stuff when it needs to be planted. And third, we're going to minimize our waste and compost and not buy too many seeds. Keep checking us out at PB&J Farms.